My name's Paul Goodfellow and I'm the Managing Director here at Minitron. I've been here for 28 years now. I'm the third generation of Goodfellows at Minitron Limited. PCB manufacturing's been in the Goodfellow blood for 55 years now. So even as a child I was working here at my holidays from school and all those sorts of things. So I've been involved since about the age of 12 or 13. As a business, we've been manufacturing circuit boards for 55 years, which makes us the longest standing PCB company owned by the same entity in the UK, which is a massive achievement. Now, because of that experience, we can move things forward for any company into the future, and we can adapt. I enjoy the change, I enjoy the challenge of the change. So every day, my motto is, if we don't like it, change it. We make it better and improve it for ultimately the customer, but also for ourselves, so we can enjoy working here. Maybe that's the thing you're looking for.
Yeah, I think that's good. Something like that is exactly what I'm looking for.